Hi, my name is Tasia, and I am a patient of Ashley Harris's. I go to the Unique Body and Health. And when I first came here, I was probably a good 50 pounds overweight. And I had already done blood testing. I had already checked my thyroid. I've been working out numerous times a week, cardio included, weightlifting included. I've always been like an advocate for working out. So it wasn't any of that. But I did feel like, even though my primary care had looked over everything, we were missing something. So I came here kind of on a whim of help. I didn't like how I looked in clothes and my self-confidence about things. So when I came to Ashley, she's like, hey, we're gonna do this blood work and we're gonna go over it all and it's gonna show us some things. So I'm thinking, okay, I've done blood work before, but it didn't show us anything. So here we are, we do our blood work with Ashley. And she finds out that, well, I'm actually insulin resistant, and we've had great results. I've lost close to 50 pounds, like 48, 47 pounds, something like that. So we're really close to that 50-pound mark. And I tell you, if she didn't take the time to go over all of that stuff, put it into a system that will show you literally like a whole chart if you're hydrated, not hydrated. Well, I do feel like I am more confident, and I do feel like my clothes do fit better. Overall, I think it also shows in the way I dress too, because before, when nothing fit and your confidence wasn't very high, I know like you're not going to be worried about all those accessories and looking cute, but I feel like I've kind of gained myself back in a sense. I try to put myself together more and take pride in how I look. And then I was also going to say that exercising has gotten a lot easier because, 50 pounds ago, running on a treadmill, yes, I did it, but was it that easy? It wasn't. And then I would think back to, oh wow, that workout, the running part was a little bit more challenging, which I've done running a lot in my lifetime. I've done about 6 half marathons. So I know what easy running can be like. I knew something was wrong. We had to figure it out. The exercise has gotten easier. I've been working with a personal trainer to tone some of my muscles now. So there's some examples right there. And then on the food itself, if you're gonna do this, you gotta focus now. Like really, what am I putting in my body every single meal? And you have to give yourself a tiny reward, but do you have to give yourself a tiny reward every day? No, but maybe once a week, twice a week, whatever, that's fine. But for the course, I really just focused on like every meal being nutrition, and we even hired a dietitian. Not that you have to go that far, but if you do need one, and that's okay. They can make the meal plans for your whole family, or they could just make it for yourself or you and your kids. It's really helped out a lot. I think seeing value in your nutrition and visiting Ashley at the Unique Body and Health, it's something you have to see value in, because when I was thinking back, like, would my family be able to live without me? And as a mom of 3 kids and driving and picking up and all the different activities that my kids are involved in, I feel like it's my job to take care of myself, to be there around for my kids and my husband and my family. And so when you're visiting her, though, you're thinking, oh, I just want to get in better shape, or I just want to lose weight, or my numbers on my blood work aren't that great and I need them to get better. Whatever it is, I feel like you have to see value in it, because I don't think that many people could live without their significant others and still do their everyday life as far as functioning just the way they did when they had them. So I think there's value in taking care of your health, and you have to see that. She got me to where I am now, and I can't say I'm so thankful for that, and I'm so thankful that I came here to Unique Body and Health to visit her. We're still working on things, and I got a few more pounds to go and some toning to do with my personal trainer and stuff, but things are going great. And if you're in my position and you would want to stop by and visit her and just give it a chance, you won't be sorry. I know I've referred some people here. My husband's came here, and some friends have came here. And give Unique Body and Health and Ashley Harris a try for sure.